Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the font in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and now create a new project or edit your existing project. Now, firstly, add a new text. Once you're happy with the text, click here to save changes. Now to change the size of the text, you can hold this icon and make it big as you want. And make sure to keep this in the frame. Just like that, we have created a new text. Now, click on the text and click on Style to change the color of the font. Here, you can see Style, click on it. Now, as you can see, you can change different properties of the text in this option like color, stroke, glow, background, shadow, and everything. Since we want to change the color of the text, simply click on the color that you want to change the text to. Once you choose your color, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have changed the color of the font in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.